Challenge 1. Let's clear it. First thing we'll send in is Devin, just to take out the rail. Alright. Now we'll send in 6 Lightbringers, and the base is done. We'll take our time, work our way around, put this guy to bed. Shoot this guy, he'll clear this. Shoot that guy, he'll clear that. Now the next step, he's going to come after you. No, we're going to clean this guy right here. Oh, we didn't do it right. All right, that's all right. We'll do it the other way. We weren't supposed to kill him because that would be easier to kill the... Well, you know what? I think the rails don't shoot you anymore because they're too small on level 1. We're going to find out. Let's kill a rail. Worst that happens is he gets a shot. And yep, I forgot. Okay, retreat. Oh, killed them as well. Wow, there you go. It's easier than I thought it was. Shoot the Overwatch. Kill that rail. I forgot, in level 1, the rails don't have good range, so you can just literally shoot them. You don't have to kill the support. Okay, level 1. Easy peasy. No damage. Let's go do it too. Again, Devin, and we have Lightbringers. I have 2 tunes. You don't need 2 tunes. You only need 1. Basically the same thing. Challenge 2. All right, we'll use Devin to clear out these, whatever they're called. Who knows? Let's see. All right, we're not. Devin, take them. All right, now we're bringing Lightbringers, 6 Lightbringers. I'm going to shoot this guy. We'll get a little damage, but this will clear out the rail for us, so he'll give us a little damage. Not much. This might get the rail, this might not. Got it. He's going to come after us. We better kill him. All right, let's get rid of this tank here. Now we got to just shoot these guys. Got him. There's no right way to do it. Just clean it out as you go. Just going to slowly work our way through them. over here and let's get an Overwatch. This will kill the rail for you. Shoot this guy, it'll kill that rail. Let's get these guys right there. Just clean that out and you're done. Just that easy. All right, let's take them back because we can't use these guys anymore. Next step, we're going to do a challenge 3. Where's the 3? 3 is up there, okay. That's all air. So we'll do that with air. All right, so much for this OLED. Let's see how much damage. Won't be much. Devin, 38 seconds. All right, that's not right. I know that got damaged a little bit. Sometimes that happens when you go in the base. It says there's no damage. Not true. See, he's damaged. What'd they get? 2 minutes. All right, enjoy.